This is my Rubik's Cube. Today I'm going to show you how it spins. Spins good here. Right. Spins good here. Spins good down here. Spins good here. Spins really good here. Spins really good. Like really good. After some tries, in another video, I'm gonna have this done. Here, close-up shots on the times. You can help me in the comment section. Not much time left, but I'll start from here. Then go to here. Then go to here. Then go to here. Then we're back. Then we go to here, 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 back, here, here, back. Now you know. Help me if you can solve this cube. Bye bye. So I'm back, and I have come so far. You pros who as this might already know how to solve this right now, but I'm gonna tell you. It's a really no,